How to use M&S Gift Card online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Log and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get right into the topic. First of all, open up any of your web browser in your PC and at the search bar, type in www.marksandspencer.com. Once you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now you want to go at the sign in option on your top right. Then click on sign in. To redeem your M&S gift card, make sure that you are signed in to your M&S account. Now go ahead and enter your email address and your password and then click on sign in. Now go ahead and choose any of the product that you wish to purchase. Select the size and then click on add to bag. Once you click on add to bag, you will see this pop up. Now from here, click on to checkout. At this page, go to checkout securely. Now after we enter your delivery method, you will see payment option. Expand the payment option and under below, you will see gift card. Click on to pay by gift card / redeem voucher. Now at this page, enter your gift card and then click on apply. Just like so, this is how you pay through your gift card. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us.